Today we'll talk about how can you invite your friends to get coins on your Talkie app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here. You click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign here, click on it. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Here can you enter the invitation code you have, and you click here on confirm. And here can you invite your friends when you just click on it. So then here can you enter the invitation code, you send it to your friends to add it to Erin uh, on your Talkie app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.